Hey y'all, it's Mindy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are decorating for Valentine's Day, and I also have a DIY included in here. So if you like to decorate for Valentine's Day or like to see Valentine's Day decorations, then keep watching.
Before the sun goes down.
Here's a few things that I bought to complete my romantic mantle look. This came from Hobby Lobby, and I'm not sure how much it was. My daughter grabbed it as soon as I got home and took the tag off. But I also got this little sign here. It says hello love. It's hard to focus. There we go. And it's trimmed in pink, and it was $1.99, but of course they had everything like 40% off right now. These came from Dollar Tree, and I have an idea of what I want to do with them. I would like to make a little banner out of them, but I don't have my banner yet. But hopefully by the time you see this, it will be complete. And I have two of these. I only got one out because as you can see, they are glittery. I didn't want to get too much glitter everywhere. But them, as well as this, came from Hobby Lobby, and I am going to have them in a vase that I already have and have the flowers mixed in with it that I already have. And of course there's Oreo getting involved. These lights, and he must remember them, I have used several times already, but mostly on my buffet. But this time I'm going to put them on my mantle. So, and just kind of run it through with the boa. I think it'll be very pretty and romantic. So anyway, this is what I bought, and we're going to put it together and see how it all works out.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Here's the DIY that we're going to do. We are making a heart banner to go across the mantle in the bedroom, and you're going to need a burlap banner. I got this one off of Amazon. I think it was like $5.99, and then the felt hearts came from Dollar Tree. And I did cut the banner down to size because it is very long and I knew I wouldn't need that length. So now I have another half of the banner I can use to make for a different holiday or season. But we're just going to use the hot glue gun to glue the felt hearts on there. And another thing you'll want to do that I did not realize is have a plate or something up under the burlap because the glue does go through it. So you will want to put down something on up under your burlap while you're working.
This little chalkboard, I want to put a little saying on it. And I love the little truck. I even got a banner for outside, so I got those. So this was $1. And most of this stuff was pretty cheap. These might have been, I can't remember if I got those at Dollar General or Dollar Tree, but most everything came from Dollar Tree except for my flower box, and I made that. And then we got some garland, some ribbon. I went ahead and tied some on top of this little truck. So this is really all I have.
For real, I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me, and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake, and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me, and we're walking on cloud nine. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me, and we're walking on cloud nine. I'm wide awake, and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me, and we're walking on cloud nine. Oh, we're walking on cloud nine. Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Do-do-do. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you, baby. I said goodbye with tears inside, calling out your name as you shut the door behind you. And now I wonder, why won't you come back? Love me, hold me, need me, like the way you used to do when it was just me.
Okay, so as you see, I'm having a little bit of difficulty deciding how I want everything to go. I'm so used to just spreading everything across the buffet, and with these decorations, I didn't have a whole lot of things, so I decided to just go with more of a centerpiece, and I was very happy with how that turned out. It just took me a few tries to get things the way I wanted them, but I hope you have enjoyed this video. As you see, I have my flower box here that I created in another video in a DIY that I did, and I will link that video down below if you would like to take a look at how I made the flower box. And I hope to be able to use it for multiple seasons and holidays. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.
Won't you come